How much time? What is it? 25? I'll put
27, and that's a calculator.
Hello, family.
During our Japan trip, we got a bunch of Japanese-specific Kit Kat flavors. During this video, we're gonna open all of them and try them with you on camera.
Aha. And how many do we have? We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. 11 flavors?
One of them might actually have multiple flavors.
Yes.
So, yeah, this is the 10 plus Kit Kat video.
Yes.
All right.
I'm sure you've heard of some of these flavors and maybe you haven't heard of others. So the first one we're going to try is, I think when people think of Japanese flavored Kit Kats, they either think of sake flavored or matcha flavored. So we're going to try Uji Matcha. So this is Uji Matcha. There are 12 packets and they have these cute little packagings. You could see the green tea.
Oh, absolutely.
Can you?
All right.
Let's break it in half.
Break it in half.
You can have the one with more chocolate.
Yay. Itadakimasu.
We've tried the matcha Kit Kats that you can get in a bag. So like
oh my gosh, this is ridiculous. This is like super rich matcha Kit Kat.
Wow. It's like as if you're drinking a matcha latte.
With the wafer inside. Wow.
I love the distinct flavor of matcha. And I think some Americans shy away from that bitter flavor.
Yes.
But
I mean, the chocolate does make it sweeter.
Yes.
But you can still...
It's very creamy.
Yes.
Very rich. And the wafer is just a perfect complement to it. Uji Hojicha. Hojicha is a roasted tea. And you actually selected all these flavors. I kind of just let you select what you want.
I really like Kit Kat.
Yeah, and you like different flavors and you have specific flavors that you really enjoy. You could see like the brewed tea on the outside and the same thing in the back. And this will also have, you can open it. This will also have 12 packet, just like the tea.
Even the package smells.
It smells just like tea. It has a very roasted flavor to it.
Yep.
Not as in your face as the matcha.
No, not as bold a flavor.
I mean, what's more can you say? It just tastes like a roasted tea.
Good roasted tea.
Flavor.
I feel like even the Kit Kats in Japan, they use a different chocolate because I feel like the chocolate that you eat from the Kit Kats in Japan are creamier.
Well, I think these are more a white chocolate base with the tea.
Yeah, but
So
it
it's
is
different.
creamier, so I don't know if they use more dairy in their white chocolate or what.
I don't know. Well,
Right.
well, the next one will be a chocolate, like a milk or dark chocolate, because this one is Shinshu Apple. And why did you choose apple? Because you chose the flavor, so why did you choose apple?
It was something different,
Yeah.
and I was trying to pick flavors that aren't a common combination
Yeah.
in the US or
Yeah.
one that I haven't seen too often. So that's why I picked apple.
Does it smell like apple?
Yes, it does.
May I smell, please?
Yes, it does.
Wow. Hey, you got more chocolate. Oh my god. You don't even have to like bite all the way to get the immediate aroma of apple. It's amazing. It tastes like a sweet, juicy red apple.
And it also proves that chocolate and apple is really good.
At the very end, you get chocolate.
You get apple in the front and chocolate in the back.
If you watch our Poke videos, there's a certain Poke that have like a the mango one and the grape one.
I don't
Remember when you eat it, you could like immediately taste that fruit flavor? It's very similar to that. It's delicious. I think,
Very good.
Yeah. Okay, so the next one's kind of an odd flavor.
And this one's obvious why I picked it.
It's because we like trying different things.
Yeah.
Wasabi. Now, I don't think...
This is probably not going to be the wasabi flavor that makes your nose clear up.
I don't know. Maybe that will be the thing about it. That's interesting. The outside has a picture of the wasabi root.
Yes.
And it says wasabi.
By the way, American wasabi is not real wasabi.
Light green color to it.
Which means they definitely use white chocolate.
White chocolate.
Oh, I want the one that has more.
Wait, let me smell. I don't smell any wasabi. It's very subtle. How did they get that subtle?
I don't taste it.
You don't taste it? It's very subtle. You taste more of the white chocolate, don't you? I taste it. You have to breathe in the flavor almost with this one. It's not like in your...
It's like breathing the flavor.
You don't taste that hint of spiciness? It's not like spicy, like chili spicy. It's just
I got it.
It's like the aftertaste.
It took a while.
Yeah.
It took a while.
It's not in your face like the apple.
No. It's very, very subtle.
You have to just kind of let it melt a little bit before you can actually taste it and kind of breathe it in through your nose. But it's
you said breathe it in. You didn't say through your nose.
Well, what did you think I meant? Like, that's slurping.
Oh, okay. Next one.
Next one, strawberry cheesecake.
I had picked this one after the wasabi because I thought the wasabi one was going to be strong.
It's beautiful box.
But the box is also beautiful.
Yeah.
I remember seeing this. Remember they were selling like crazy.
We got this and the previous 4 all at Don Quixote.
No.
Yes, we did. We got this at Don Quixote.
We got those at Don Quixote?
Yeah, we did.
I remember this one.
They had actually many more flavors at Don Quixote.
That I do remember. I remember they had like 12 flavors.
Yeah.
And I, of course, wanted all of them. They were like,
But
no.
we just chose some.
Let's get some.
And so the box is special because it is Mount Fuji.
Look at this beautiful background.
Yeah, and one side it has cherry blossoms, and the other side it is maple trees. White chocolate again. When you break them, look at the difference. And you always take the one with more chocolate.
Well,
no
duh.
more. No more.
Doesn't it smell like cherry?
It's strawberry to me.
Oh.
The chocolate's always so rich. The strawberry flavor is not...
It's like the apple one.
Yeah. I mean, you can tell it's artificial, of course. But the cheese is not too prominent.
No.
It kind of just tastes like a creamy strawberry
Yes.
Kit Kat. Which is nothing wrong with that.
And it's good. It's very good. But it's not...
And every time I have like cheesecake flavored stuff, even with Pocky, I don't think I taste the cheese, you know?
See.
Next one is very special. These are the sake Kit Kats. And we got these in the Kit Kat chocolate store in Tokyo Station. And there's a little cup of sake. Oh my god, smell that?
Ooh.
Smells like alcohol.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, damn it. Oh no. Let me have the more of this one.
You can have them more of this.
Because I like the alcohol.
That's the smell kind of bothers me.
Wow.
Wow.
It's so good. It's like... It tastes like sake, but it's not like that sharp alcohol flavor, you know? There's a hint of it.
And I don't think this has any alcohol because it's being sold in the store.
That is delicious.
It really is.
Okay, you're eating most of it. Now you taste more of the alcohol. The alcohol flavor is there, but it's not.
And another thing, they could have cooked out the alcohol and kept the flavor.
I don't know. It's more intense, like, because I use sake for cooking quite a bit. I make it with my sauces. I cook it with vegetables and fish. And you
don't taste it that much.
I don't taste it that much. It's that subtle sweetness that it adds. This, you actually taste a little bit of the alcohol. So the next two are Kit Kats that we were only able to find in the store inside Narita Airport. When we got these right before flying home.
Yep.
We had some time to look through, and I saw that they had Sakura Matcha. 10 boxes! How many Kit Kats are in each box? This one's crunchier. Do you taste like the Sakura?
I taste the green tea.
You taste the matcha. It's like, I want to say there's a tiny bit of floral.
Is that what the sakura is supposed to taste like?
Sakura's supposed to be either floral or like cherry.
I taste floral. I don't taste cherry.
Yeah. It's good. It's not as deep matcha flavor as the Uji Matcha.
Yes.
But it's still really good.
And I think this is regional too.
I don't know. Is it?
Because this one, our next one,
is Hokkaido melon and cream.
One of the places I want to visit the most in Japan. And once again, if you see, you can push.
Yeah, to easily open it.
And here to easily open it.
3 packets again.
This one is orange.
For the melon. Oh, that sucked, Gui. Oh, thank you! This is delicious. You immediately taste melon. But
I don't think there's a cream taste.
I guess it's more the white chocolate because it's a creamy melon, you know? I think it's actually even more creamy
than the matcha. Yeah, I can agree with that.
That melon flavor is not as artificial as I think it was going to taste. Like, you know the Haichu melon? This is really artificial.
Yeah.
These taste like melon juice has been added to it.
Yep. Next was is a limited edition Kit Kat that we were able to get our hands on. Tokyo Banana Kit Kat.
These were only sold inside Tokyo Station for a certain period of time every day for a certain length of days.
Yes.
Yeah. So we just got very lucky. We just happened to be in Tokyo Station at the time when these started to go on sale.
Early enough in the day.
By the time we purchased the Tokyo...
By the time we left Tokyo Station, they were sold out for the day.
Way before, yeah. We watched people going absolutely crazy.
It does seem like they have a design on the Kit Kat.
Yeah.
It would be very interesting to see.
Packaging is really cute. There's only 8 of these in the box. Like,
I can smell a banana from here.
Yeah, I can.
Yeah.
Okay, let me try to... No, I did... you can get the bigger one.
You did a decent job. Oh, banana flavor right away.
God, that chocolate is so rich.
Well, honestly, banana makes a great combination with dark chocolate.
I love it.
Really good.
That one has tasted the most gourmet so far. Very, like a higher quality chocolate. Denser, creamier.
I also feel like the banana. It doesn't taste like a normal banana. It tastes like a more elevated banana flavor. It has a strong banana taste to almost as if you're not eating a Kit Kat banana. You're eating a banana that was made into a Kit Kat.
You're getting really deep there. Okay. So this next one is...
Well, this is my box.
Special.
This is my box. I chose this box. It was not cheap.
It was not.
It was not cheap.
No. Yeah, so there's 1, 2...
Oh, there's only four flavors.
Pistachio, raspberry.
Yeah, there's 4 flavors. All right,
There's
so
4 flavors.
let's take one out of each.
Yeah, but you know what? I think this deserves its own video. The Sublime ones will have its own video.
Okay.
Make sure you subscribe so that way you can catch a video after this one.
So tell us, leave a comment down below. Tell us which one you have tried and which one you enjoyed and which one you do want to try.
Yeah.
That's it for this video. Bye-bye.
Bye.